Good morning, children. Welcome to our next session. Lesson 3. Excuse me, please. Okay. We completed 3 sessions and we did some exercises also. Now we are going to do one exercise that write in words all the numbers from 1 to 10. Textbook page 30. Okay. And so see, children, you are getting the numbers in colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We should write these numbers in words. Okay, we'll write, children. 1, O-N-E, 1. Next, T-W-O-2, T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E, 3, T-H-R-E, 3. Next, F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-C-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-N, 10. These are the blanks you are getting, children. One is started. These are the numbers in words 1 to 10. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. Okay, very simple, no? The next, Roman number 4. Next exercise is write in words all the numbers N-U-M-B-E-R-S numbers from first to 10th. Children, listen. Write in words all the numbers from 1st to 10th. What is 1st to 10th, children? Which type of number? That is ordinal numbers. 1st, 2nd, 3rd up to 10th we are saying that ordinal numbers. These are number names. Okay, once you see the textbook, children, you are getting the dashes like first dash dash. We should write, children. You should write there. I will write on the board now. The first is F-I-R-S-T, first, S-E-C-O-N-T, second. Next, T-H-I-R-D, third. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Next, E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. These are the ordinal numbers 1st to 10th. 1st to 10th. Once again, children. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. T-H-I-R-D, third. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. These are the numbers 1st to 10th. Here the next exercise is Complete the grid of the names of the days of the week. Sorry, sir. Next exercise. Complete the grid of the names of the days of the week. Days of the week. Page number 30. Here you are getting the clues, children. See the grid, children. See the textbook. M dash columns are empty and day. All are getting day. Okay, we should complete these days of the week. Okay, children. Already you learnt in the LKG and UKG days of the week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. What are they? You already learned. We'll write once again, children. So, M dash dash day. What will be there? Monday. 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 Then next Tuesday. Tuesday. Next Wednesday. 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 Next Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Then last one is Sunday. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days are there in a week. You learned already, children. So once again we'll say Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. These are the days of the week. Once again, children, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, now we next exercise, page number 31, grammar in use. Read these sentences carefully. Here sentences are there, children. Today is this day. Yesterday is the day before today. Today is, we are saying, yesterday means before today. Then tomorrow is the day after today. Tomorrow is next day. Yesterday is the before day. Tomorrow is the after day. Then today is present. Whenever we are saying about anything today, we should say in present. Yesterday is past, that is already completed. Whenever we are saying about anything completed yesterday, we should say in past. Then tomorrow is future tense. That means we should say in future tense. Then for we use is, am, are for present. We use was, were for past, and we use will be for future. Okay, children. Next, grammar in use, children, page number 31. You are getting a table is, we use is slash am slash are for present. Isn't it, children? I am a girl. I am studying. Then she is studying. They are studying. That is the three forms. For example, she is reading. Okay, she is reading. Then I am reading. Next, they are reading. See, children, in the present tense, we will use these words. What are they? She is reading. One only, so we used is. Again, am. I am reading. That is the present. Then they are reading. More than one, that's why we use are. Then next is we use was slash where for past. In the present we use is, am, are. But in the past, for example, same sentence, she was reading. She was reading yesterday. Okay, that is already past, already completed. Then they were reading. I was reading. I was reading. This is the difference, children. When we are writing in the present tense, is, am, are. Same sentence we are changing into the past tense when we are writing was, were, was. She was reading. They were reading. I was reading. Then one more sentence is there. We use here first one, second one, then third one. We use will be for future. Here for the same example, she will read tomorrow. Okay, then I will read tomorrow. Next, they will read tomorrow. Children, listen. Here three statements are there. We use is, am, are for present. Any things we are saying in the present, that continuous happening, is, am, are. Same sentence, children, is, she is reading, I am reading, they are reading. Same sentences come to here in the past. We use was or were for past. She was reading, they were reading, I was reading. So, was is using for singular, one person, and where we will use for more than one. But we will use will before future. Future tense, that means coming tomorrow. So, we will say, she will read tomorrow. She will read tomorrow. Then, I will read tomorrow. Then, they will read tomorrow. Okay, children? This is the exercise. Then, one more exercise is there in there. Fill in the correct day of the week. Today is for suppose Monday. We are saying that Monday. Today is Monday. Then yesterday was. Here we used was, children. Monday before what will come? Sunday. Okay. Then next, tomorrow. will be Tuesday. The next we have a holiday on when we are getting the holiday? Sunday. We are getting the holidays on Sunday. Here children, today is Monday. Suppose then if today Monday means yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday, and we have the holidays on Sunday. Okay children. Now we completed grammar in use exercises children. So you write in the textbook, complete in the textbook, and write in class workbook and homework book also. Learn well. Thank you children.